Hey, I'm going to show you how to disassemble your MacBook in a couple easy steps. So, start by turning it over, and you're going to start by taking the battery out. To do that, you need a coin, and just turn this piece like that. The battery will then pop out. Then you've got 3 screws, one here, and one here, which you've got to remove to be able to take this piece out. Once those 3 screws are out, you can take this piece out and put it aside. I recommend you keep all your screws on one flat page. Then you'll have 2 levers here to take the RAM out. Just do like that, swipe them to the left, and you could take both out. Once that's done, you have this here that you have to take out. This is the hard drive. Just take that little tab out and pull it, and it'll come out pretty easily. This is the hard drive. You're now going to remove a total of 9 screws. These screws are located right here. One here, one here, one here. The 2 outer screws here and here, and 4 screws which are here. You're going to remove the screw number 2, number 4, number 7, and number 9 in that order. Once those screws are removed, you're going to remove these 3 screws here, the 4 screws here, and the 2 screws which are on the left side of the Mac, right here. Those screws are removed. You can now use a credit card shape tool or a case opener tool to gently find an edge where you can open it up. It is pretty tricky. Or just try with your nail. Nah, it isn't that easy. I've already opened mine up, so it might be slightly easier to open up, but let's see. Here we go. So, I'm gonna have to put the camera down for this because it isn't that easy. So just try to gently do it. You'll see there'll be clips. There'll be clips on this side, which you have to be careful with. So. There you go. Get that one. Alright, there we go. Yep. Now on this side where the clips are, just use the credit card here like this. Just to lift. God damn it. Alright, I finally got mine open. So now be very careful when you lift this. There will be a cable right there connecting. So you'll have to just gently remove that cable upwards with some metal tool or screwdriver. Yeah, there we go. start off by itself. So that's how to disassemble the top case of the MacBook. Now, I'm not going to show you further on, but what's recommended is to remove this here, which is the air port. So remove both screws. This screw here will have the cable for the speaker, so you have to be careful with that. Once these two screws are removed, you can remove both antennas. First this one, then that one. Once that's done, the MagSafe has to be removed, which is this piece in there. So that I let up to you to know how to do. Thanks for watching.